Today's helpful how-to video is going to be teaching you and showing you how to remove your distributor from your small box Chevy engine. It's pretty simple to do yourself, and especially at home. And to make it easier on you, we have went ahead and removed the carburetor so you can have a better view. The next step you want to do before you dive too deep in it is disconnect your battery. God dog, that's tight. Sometimes you have to use tools to disconnect your battery. Mine, it's not that important. So the first thing you will need is just one size wrench, and that is dependent on the bolt on your distributor. Now this is for a small box Chevy, but applies to a lot of Fords. Just think of it as being in front of the engine instead. So the bolt is located on the back here, and hopefully it's a 1/2 inch. Is it, Amos? It's a 9/16. Also, before you pull your distributor, if you're going to be reinstalling one, I got a great video on how to install a new distributor by staying, pulling your old one out and putting a new one in. I'll link that in the description below. It's got tons of people that liked it and got, a little bit of comments on it. So check that out if that's something you are doing. You're watching this video, you're going to install a new one. Just check that video out too. But be sure to mark your spark plug wires if you are going to install a new distributor, because that way you know where to go. It's just that simple. We ain't worried about this. This motor is coming out of this truck. LS is going in it, so we're just going to unplug the wires. The distributor comes straight out just like so, and this is a nice distributor here. This is a HEI distributor, part number 83262. This is a great street fire performance distributor. I ain't had no problems out of it, and as you can see, the gear is not worn at all. Sometimes you get these cheaper distributors and this gear kind of walks up and down a lot. See, you're supposed to have a little play, but sometimes they got a little side and cause the grooves to wear. But great distributor. Definitely going to hang on to this. We might use that on the next build. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like. As always, leave a comment. We enjoy hearing from every single one of you guys. And if you ain't subscribed, think about subscribing. I appreciate it if you do. And we see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.